This is the elevator at Macy's, Galleria, Pittsburgh Mills, Tarentum, Pennsylvania. Schindler HT. Let's go to UL. Here we go. Here at UL. Go to LL. Door closes, does not work. Okay, cab view. Just your basic Macy's elevator. 2,500 pound capacity. Here at LL. Let's go back up to UL. Door closes, does not work. There we go. Here UL. Go to LL. There's the Schindler plate. This thing does not run that great. This mall is basically dead, and I'm not sure this store is going to last any longer. Here at LL. Watch your clothes. And that's it.